In this video, I will show how to create a timeline chart in Excel. So here we have this sample data for timeline. Map properly. Now to create timeline, pause this video and create this type of timeline and fill the data as your requirement. So firstly, click anywhere, any cell. Now here select this month. Now press and hold Control and select here. Now insert and select this column and select this first one. Now drag and drop here. Now click on this plus icon. Now data label, more options. Select this value from cells. Select this second column. Click on OK. Select value. Now exit. Now here guys you can remove this blue bar. So double click on it. Now to remove this bar, select any bar. Now format and the shape fill. So select no fill and click anywhere. Now to create a line, select it, then plus icon, click on error bars, more options. Now here select this minus and percentage, so you can 100% and click anywhere and exit. Now to remove this guide line and exit bar, so filter, adjust the size as your need. To remove this line, select it and press delete. To remove this guide line, now to remove this guide line, select any guide line and here select no line. Now here you can make more stylish as a if you need. Just select here and you can change styles, color and what you need here. Change the title. Change guideline, color and boldness. like this. Thanks for watching.